Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide quick ad on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide quick ad on your Snapchat account, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide the quick ad. And from over here guys, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your Bitmoji icon or your Snapchat profile picture. Tap on there. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner screen again, there is the settings or the gear icon. Tap on it, and from over here guys, in order to hide the quick ad on a Snapchat account, scroll down and until you can see the privacy control, and over here just below the comment settings, tap on see me on quick ad. We can see there is the show me in quick ad button available for us. There is the tick mark on the green available at the right side of it. If you tap on it, it will be turned to gray or empty, which means that quick ad on your Snapchat will be hidden, or you will be hidden from quick ad on Snapchat. And there guys, this is how you hide quick ad on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.